ATT has its vision of being sustainable and socially responsible as one of leaders in telecommunications industry worldwide. We can analyze ATT sustainability through five aspects. From environment, ATT is more than halfway through its commitment to invest up to $565 million to deploy about 15,000 alternative fuel vehicles over the course of 10 years. Since the program's inception in 2009, we've saved 12.4 million gallons of gasoline. Just as important, they've shown that there is demand for efficiency vehicles, spurring investment and innovation in this critical market. One of the cornerstones in their approach is collaborating with others who share with interest in finding solutions for today's challenge. For example, they are working with Environmental Defense Fund to tackle the problem of water consumption in commercial buildings. As a result, they are not just saving waters more efficiently in their own office and data center, but their collaboration has yielded a free toolkit for businesses that saved 12.8 billion gallons of water each year. It is scaled across all U.S. commercial buildings. Helping market and consumer improve their own sustainable practice is a big part of their mission at ATT. The technologies they provide make it possible for consumers to better manage their environmental impact through smarter, connected homes that conserve energy and resources. From technology, more than 200,000 crashes a year involve drivers who are texting. Through the It Can Wait program, ATT committed to raising awareness and changing behavior surrounding texting while driving. In 2013, they had more than 50,000 people sign up as advocates for the It Can Wait campaign through It Can Wait website. They also involved more than 1,500 organizations, including Sprint, T-Mobile, and Verizon, in the campaign. Most drivers feel good about themselves when they took action to stop texting and driving. In addition, ATT new eco-rating 2.0 system makes it easier for customers to make purchases based on customers' value. Products are rated based on the five environmental and social considerations. The eco-rating system provides information on topics including energy efficiency, hazardous substance and devices, materials recycling rate, and ease of disassembly. For the portfolio of pay, ATT branded hand-signed devices were evaluated against ATT Eco Rating System. 95% were rated at Eco Rating 3 or above out of a potential of Eco Rating 5, surpassing their goal. From supply chain, ATT suppliers play an important role in the sustainability of their operations through their influence on issues like energy efficiency, alternative energy use, process improvement, and packaging. This means that their supply chain is a source of significant opportunities for not only streamlining operations and reducing their own costs, but also minimizing larger environmental impacts, improving labor conditions, and unlocking economic diverse suppliers. ATT recognized the connectivity of their supply chain to their corporate citizenship and the sustainability work. They will continue to seek out opportunities with their supply chain and to pursue their goal. From product reuse and recycling, Americans recycle just 11% of more than 150 million phones that reach the end of their life each year. Many still are placed in drawers and closets and then forgotten. In 2014, ATT consumer recycle and reuse programs will collect more than 4.5 million handset devices as part of their effort to empower consumers to responsibly dispose of their devices. They are increasing their communications around device reuse and recycling. From competitive field, AT&T listed as the world's third largest telecommunication company after China Mobile and Verizon, but it is greener than the other two. According to the report from Newsweek in 2014, AT&T was listed as the world's 260th greenest company. Verizon was listed as the 326th. China Mobile was the 444th, and another major players in the U.S. telecommunication industry, T-Mobile, was only listed as the 472nd.